Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fill holes in Orca Slicer. So basically you could do this two ways, and the first one is going to be a little bit complicated, which is by clicking on the object itself, clicking on add part, and you could add the part manually right here. Now basically with this one, as I have said earlier, this can be a little bit tricky because you actually have to align everything at once. Now, the second way to do this is to just head over to the Others tab inside Global. So click Global, click Others, and under Special Mode for Slicing Mode, you want to click on the Close Holes option. So basically what this does, if you click on the Slice Plate option, it will actually close all of the holes on our plate, and basically from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.